Plumber, the next class, the main one dey start. Our first class now, dey round up April, second week of April. In short, it's a big win for all the students. Sure that they follow up the video since. That they see as they go different sites, they do site practical, site training. Some they go for water treatment training, even swimming pool training. We carry our students, we expose them to a lot of different work for this plumbing. So if you want to take advantage of this our class, try to send us DM. May register for the next class. We will start by May 1. Yes, so if you register for this class, you'll benefit a lot. So don't sleep on this one now. Join our academy, Echo Plumbing Accreditation Limited. The waste one of our DM.